Come on. Do it. Come on.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a flash flood warning for north central Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Edwardsville, Luzerne, Kingston, Nanticoke, Plymouth, Swearsville, Larksville, 44, Dallas, Pringle, Courtdale, Linwood, Shavertown, and Glen Lyon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 591.
So, this is the first warning that I just got off my weather radio. It did go off for a severe thunderstorm warning earlier, but I was not home to pick it up. Hang on. Oh, here we go. There's the severe thunderstorm warning. So, let me see. Hang on. Let me see events. Backlight. Set events. Shoot, I don't remember how to get there. Hang on. Yeah. Well, that's where I can view my alert history, but it didn't show the flash flood warning, which is unfortunate. But it wasn't for my county. It was for Luzerne. So, great. It's the first alert I got off of my new Midland WR120B.